Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to view the members of a list you follow on X. If you've ever wanted to know exactly who's inside the lists you've added or followed, this quick guide will make it super easy. So, let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once the app is up and running, tap on the menu icon. This will take you to the section where you can find all of your lists. Next, go ahead and tap on Lists. Here is where you'll see all the lists you've created yourself, as well as the ones you follow from other accounts. From this section, select the specific list that you want to check. Once you've chosen a list, you'll notice a couple of options at the top of the screen. What you want to do now is tap on Members. This is the tab that displays all the accounts that have been added to that list. From there, you'll be able to scroll through and see every single account included. Whether the list is about news, tech updates, favorite creators, or anything in between, this gives you a full overview of who's part of it. This feature is especially helpful if you're trying to discover new accounts to follow, or just want to keep track of the exact people inside a curated list. It's also worth noting that viewing members of a list you follow doesn't add them automatically to your own following list. You'll still need to follow them individually if you'd like their posts to appear directly in your timeline. So to recap, open the X app, go to the menu, tap on Lists, select the list you're interested in, and then tap on Members to see the full lineup of accounts inside that list. And that's it. It's really that simple. Now you'll always know how to check the members of any list you've followed on X. If you found this guide clear and helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick tutorials on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.